Do you like this wallpaper? And this? Want to make cool wallpapers like this? With your phone, open PicsArt. Then open any colorful picture you like from your gallery. Hit on the effects and go to the artistic option. Then click on the tiny planet and play with the controls until you like your image as it is. Do the same again, and voila, you got your picture ready. Now crop it according to your need and preferences. Save the image. Open the image in Adobe Lightroom. Now use this settings in Lightroom to give your photos a final finishing touch. But remember, every photo is different. Edit your every photo with passion. These are some more photo samples you may like. Like, share, and subscribe for more.